Hello guys, Katie is here. If you're still not obsessed with new AI feature from Photoshop, it means you still didn't use it. And in this video, I will share with you where you can get it, how you may use it, why it may not work, and other cool tips and tricks that will make your experience in using new AI Generative Fill from Photoshop amazing. So if you're ready, just launch your Photoshop beta version and let's do this. So question number one, why you may not have this feature? The simple answer, because you used the wrong version of Photoshop. This feature was launched in beta version of Photoshop. That is why you need to install on your computer exactly this version. How you can find it? Simply search on your computer Adobe Creative Cloud application. In Apps section, find Beta Apps. And here you will see all beta versions of software that you have on your computer. I already have Adobe beta version on my computer, so just will open it. 2023, the year of appearing AI features everywhere. And if you're interested what AI feature appeared in Lightroom Classic, you can check video over here where I already shared everything about new AI DENOISE feature in Lightroom Classic. And let's come back to the Photoshop beta version and continue to explore Generative Fill from Photoshop. So on the screen you can see the photos that I'm going to work on today, and if you will look around you will understand that we don't have a Generative Fill toolbar at this moment. For activating this toolbar, you need to select any selection tool that provides in Photoshop. For example, I will select Object Selection tool, and you need to select object or subject or any area on your photos that you want to work on. I will select the hands. And as soon as Photoshop selected the needed object, you can see that Generative Fill bar appeared on the photo. In this option, I'm going to manipulate the background of the photo. For this, I will click Ctrl-Shift-I to invert the selection and click on Generative Fill button to start create something new on this photo. Also, you can activate Generative Fill by going into Edit section and click Generative Fill. At this stage, you need to come up with a description of what you would like that Photoshop generate for you. This may be from 3 to 8 or 10 words only in English, and try to use noun and adjectives to give Photoshop the idea of what actually you would like to see, and try to avoid any such words as generate picture or fill the area and so on. Also, for example, if you will leave this area without any text prompts, Photoshop will fill the selection based on the area around. So let's proceed with the background on my photo, and I would like to create something very soft, romantic and beautifully. For this I will type next combination of the words, and when you came up with the description what you would like to see, just click on the generate button and wait until Photoshop will do all work for you and you will just get the results. And we already have the final results, and it's pretty vibrant and very catchy, but I would like to test a few different options to find out what else Photoshop can offer for you. You can click on these versions that are called variations of the photos, or click on the arrows right here that will switch every new variation. Let's try this one. Yes, this is look much better. And the third one, yeah, I would go with the second option. Please let me know in comments down below if you enjoyed the second option from this trio or if you would go with another one. Also, if you're interested in exploring what creative effects you can reach on your photos with Photoshop, please check video over here where I share how to create a realistic motion blur effect on your photos, and I'm sure you will love it. Also, let's see what is going on in our layers section. Here you can see the original photo and a new photo that Photoshop created based on the AI Generative Fill. You can easily check before and after results by clicking on this eye icon and switch it off and switch it on. Also, you can take this photo even further and create a solid new layer and continue your manipulations by adding new items, new objects on your photo with Generative Fill from Photoshop. And that's it. Only in few minutes we discovered a new Generative Fill from Photoshop that really impressed all creative world. And please let me know in comments down below, how do you consider this feature? Does it inspire you, or do you think this is disaster for creative world? And thank you very much for watching this video till the end. From you a big thumb up, and from me many new editing tutorials in the future. So stay tuned, see you very soon, bye bye!